of warm water basically while my chai is boiling. Yeah. Guys, they're secretly dating. Like, oh my god, they're so awkward. I know you're dating, like, come on. Okay, so after leaving a bit to run some errands, and I'm looking forward to getting the pant from Chino. The thing is, the pant that I'm eyeing for in Chino is 1700, and I have exactly 1700, but I have to pay 1000 to one of my friends, which she's not in need of for now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the pant and pay her back as soon as possible later. Yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm just gonna wear this, my black pants, and this, and hope to find a muffler, which I don't know where, I forget what to say. Outside of Chino, I'm just gonna look out for the band that I've been wanting. So I'm in the trial room, and this, I'm definitely getting it, but should I get it? This is medium, if it's well. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so I'm back, and I did end up buying the band with the money I was supposed to pay back my friend with. She's not really in need of money, so that's the only reason I bought it with that money. I'm gonna pay her back soon, and yeah. I got the band and this thermos because it's really cold, and I needed one. This is the one I got. It says Legend. I mean, duh. Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, so whatever. I got this thermos. And the pants, guys. The pants. Like, it's a little tight because this is the exact color of plait I was looking for in my pant, and they didn't have a size up in the same color. So it's a little not tight. I mean, it's not tight.
Girl, shut the fuck up!
Oh, and I also bought half dozens of bananas so that I can make banana bread later. Yeah. That was my mini haul, and yeah, I'm just gonna go take a nap, I think. Yeah. I'm here to pick up the cake for my friends. Basically out and waiting for magic like birthday. A bold dark chocolate, really good. Anyways, we're here late as usual, and most of the things are already, like, most of the activities are already closed. So we're just gonna go do a safari, I think. It is so cold, and I dress so lightly. Like going.
was a centipede, naked in bed.
This is what I've done so far. Okay, so I'm basically done doing my nails, and this is what I did, and they're kind of bad actually. This is what I did in 2 hours. It's been 2 hours already, and I cannot do any more than this. So yeah.